Hello everyone, my name is Harsha Chaudhary. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we cover operation on data frame. So let's get start coding. Let's first define a data frame. We use head function to get the starting rows of the data frame, and for tail to view last rows of the data frame. As it only have 4 rows, let's make some more rows. Let's run it. Now we get the 4 values. And if we want to see it have 6 rows. In the head, it show 5 rows. And it tail, it show 5 from the ending. Now comes to unique values. If you want to get the unique values of a particular column, we use unique function. For column 2, we have these. And for get the how much unique values are there in column 2, we use nunique function. Let's run it. We have 3, as it have 3 values, unique values. Now to get the value count, we use value count function. Now see the result. We have 3 444, 2 555, and 1 666. And df.values, it show a array. Now selecting a data like new data frame. On behalf of these condition, like if column 1 is greater than 2 and column 2 equals to 44, and here is the AND operator. Let's run the cell. Here we get the new data frame. Now apply some functions. We define a function del time 2. Now apply this function. We use apply function and pass the function here. And here the output. We also apply some function, predefined function like length, and get the length of the values. We also use sum function to get the sum of the column. If you permanently want to delete a column, we use del keyword. Del and df:1. Let's run the cell and let's see the df data frame. Here, column 1 is removed. Now get column and index value. If you want to get the all columns in a given data frame, we use DataFrame.columns. Let's run the cell, and here we get the column 1 and column 2. And for index, we use df.index to get the index of it. 0 to 6 and step size 1. 0 and 6. Stop is 6 and step size 1. Let's see the data frame. Here now if you want to sort the values of a particular column, we use sort values function and pass the column here. Let's run the cell. Here we have the sorted column. For finding null values or check for null values, we use isnull function. df.isnull, run the cell. Here we get the result as we don't have any null values. To drop a row which have null values, we use dropna function. I already discussed this function in my previous video. If you don't watch that video, go and watch that video. Now comes to input and output. How we get the input from the CSV file. To read a CSV file, we use read CSV function and pass the file, or as I save this example file in the same directory where this notebook is. So I only give the name of the CSV file. Let's run the cell. Here we see the data of this CSV file. Now input from Excel file. To read a Excel file, we use read_Excel function and pass the name, as this Excel file is in the same directory where this notebook is saved. So I need to only give the name of the Excel file. If you want a file which is in the another directory, you have to give the whole path. Now shift press enter to run the cell, and these are the data which is saved in this Excel file. And now to write on the Excel file, we use two Excel function, name and Excel and sheet name. Now run the cell. Let's see, these are the values. Now we want to get the value from the SQL file. For this, we use this engine, this library. Now run the cell. Now create an engine of SQLi. Now run the cell, and to SQL data and give this engine here, which we created by the create engine. Now run the cell. And now to read the SQL file, we use read SQL function and pass the data and pass the engine here in con. Now run the cell, and here is the output. If you want to write on CSV file like this data frame, which we created by this, and want to save in this CSV file, two CSV is used. Now again read with this file, read CSV function, and here we get the data. And to write on the Excel file, we use to Excel function. And save this data frame in this Excel file and pass the sheet name. And here we get the output. So that's it for this video. And it is also the end of this Panda series. I hope you like this video, and if this video helps you, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell icon so you don't miss my any interesting video. So thank you.